How's it going, everyone? Nick here. Welcome back to the channel, and most importantly, welcome back to another Thor node update. Now today, this is a critical update, especially if you're holding Thor nodes, but for those of you that have not bought into Thor or Thor Financial yet, listen up because you might have the opportunity of a lifetime as the price of Thor continues to go down. So we can see here on CoinMarketCap, right now the price is down almost 9% on the day at around $89, $90, but it did get as low as 87-ish a little bit ago. Now, of course, if you've been following Thor over the past week or so, you know that this week and all throughout the month, they're doing reductions on their rewards for each of their tiered nodes. And remember, just yesterday on the 9th, they actually reduced their Odin node to 1.02 Thor per day. Now, the reason why the price has been dropping is because of that reduction, plus the issues they were having with the smart contracts. If you saw my last video, you know they're having some issues with those contracts and actually paying out those rewards. Because if you've been earning rewards this whole time at that higher amount and they just lowered it, there was nothing actually built into the contract to let you keep the rewards you already accumulated without all of it dropping to that lower amount. Now, because of this whole reward reduction thing and the issues with the smart contracts, Thor has actually came out and they're letting people with unclaimed rewards put in a Google Doc form to actually make up the difference. So if you didn't claim your rewards before that reduction took place, you can put in a ticket and they'll actually refund you the difference minus the 10% tax. And you can see here forms refund link. It's a Google Doc, so we'll go to that right now. And you can see Odin unclaimed rewards refund. Basically, if you did not claim those rewards, you fill this out, which all it is your wallet address and your approximate amount of missing rewards, meaning the rewards you're missing because it accidentally took your rewards accumulated from that larger amount to the reduced amount. So if this happened to you, definitely go do this if you're watching before midnight. Anyway, because of all this craziness with the rewards and the reward reductions, you can see here all throughout February into March 1st, Thor node reductions are going to be happening. And you guys can see the price of Thor has not reacted very well to it. If we go to the 1 month chart, we can see that at a high, Thor was around $230. It's basically been in free fall ever since the announcement of these reward reductions. Price currently is at $88. And if we go to my app, app.thor.financial, you can see my one node I have here. My rewards are almost at 0.2 for that. But I do think I'm gonna wait until these other dates. I'm really circling the 14th of February, which is Monday, Valentine's Day. I really wanna see what Thor Price is going to do on that day. If it drops drastically again, I don't think I'll buy back in until all of these node reductions actually happen. At that point, I'll buy back in, and I think my plan now is to buy 1 or 2 more Thor nodes, and then I'm gonna buy a chunk of Thor tokens, actually use TraderJoe to make a liquidity pool token out of it, and then from there, I'm gonna stake it on Thor Financial. Now, Thor Financial recently put out an article of how you can actually add liquidity to the Avalanche Thor liquidity pool, and then once you have that LP token, you can go back to Thor to their farm and actually stake that LP token. And as of today, you can see the APR on that is 487%. Now, I believe as people keep doing this, it'll obviously go lower and lower. I did see it at one point when they first started, it was around 2000%. If you guys want me to do a full tutorial on how to actually do this, how to get your liquidity token with TraderJoe and then stake it on Thor Financial, comment down below and I'll do a full tutorial if you guys want. Now again, hopefully this whole thing with the smart contracts and needing to claim rewards, or say you want a refund for some of the rewards you lost, hopefully they will have that fixed by 14th of February. That is Monday. So we're going to be watching that date very, very closely. As you can see now, here's the price update for today. Let me know down below in the comments how often you want me to do Thor node updates. I think I'm going to start doing Thor, Flux, Strong, and maybe some other crypto updates. So if you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and like this video. If you want to learn more about Flux crypto and Flux nodes, click here.